Oh man. Oh well. Well, shit. Yeah, pull over real quick.
I know.
Oh well. I don't know where it was.
It's right back there. It's not far. It's probably gonna be like hot as fuck too.
We're
right here.
Huh?
We're right here.
Yeah, let me go check.
Hey, it's on this side of the road on the curb.
Okay, like right here?
It's not far at all. Hey, you're gonna go get it real quick?
Yeah.
I'll go with you.
All right.
What? Oh, you're gonna go get it? Go.
Well, shit.
Curb back there, but I didn't.
Yeah, I didn't see it either.
Oh shit! You didn't find it?
No.
Or something. It wasn't there.
Yeah.
It was toasted anyway.
Yeah.
Fingers took it, dude.
Ah, shit.
Yeah, it's like a whoop, 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 whoop.
Oh, well, I need an excuse to buy a new one anyways.
Oh, their legs fell off, bro. I forgot to tell you. Oh, no. What kind of damage?
Well, shit.
I mean, that thing would be hot as fuck anyway.
I lost my pipe, bros. Guess I'm on that open header life now. Make sure nothing else falls off. I think it sounds better. More distinguished. It's okay, it gives me an excuse to buy a new pipe. Oh no, why did you have to spend $150? My pipe exploded.
He's a screamer now, huh?
Oh yeah. I was just saying how it was too quiet.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw something hit the ground in front of me and I was like, wait a second, and it was like bouncing right at me. I was like, oh shit.
I thought I had a flat fucking tire and it's just like scraping down. What?
They probably have your exhaust.
Ah. Jesus Christ. Oh, it never ends. No excitement. Alpha Toxin's wacky adventures. They thought they were chasing us. I mean, they were chasing us, but we're pretty sure they had my exhaust too. I'd say we definitely lost them, so they got a souvenir. Y'all see me on YouTube. Just DM me and I'll get you the address. Ship the exhaust. Holy fuck, dude. Never a dull moment with the Grom Squad. Oh, Jesus.
And then McDonald's? With JBL?
Look for the ground motor for warmth and it's not there.
Yeah, are you cold?